Hey, this is Steve from Objects Unlimited, here to talk a little bit about how 3D printing and 3D scanning can benefit marketing and promotional agencies. Might look a little sparse around here because we're just moving into our new facility here in Mississauga. In a couple days, this will be a hub of activity, collaborative spaces where artists and designers can work together, merging the engineering and art aspects of what we do. 3D printing and 3D scanning can open up a whole new world of creative opportunities for your agency. For example, we can make large-scale pieces for activations, we can make digital assets for animation or online use, or we can combine the two and help you create creative ideas to pitch to your clients. Having something physically in your hand to show your client or your customer is a huge competitive advantage over PowerPoint presentations or even online animations. They say that a picture is worth 1,000 words, and I do believe that a physical object is worth 1,000 frames. Traditionally, prototyping or making small runs of things has been quite expensive and quite costly. 3D printing has changed a lot of those factors. Once we have a 3D model, we can produce a part within a couple days that really helps you represent what you're trying to show. We work with many different types of marketing agencies and have promoted at several different events, both very large and very small. You know, when you're doing a digital campaign, there's a couple ways to create your content. One is to draw it directly, the other is to 3D scan something. With 3D scanning, you can make an excellent full color model within only a few minutes. This could sometimes take hours or days to draw something like that. 3D scanning also helps us take sometimes base geometry that we can modify, say for a new product or a new release, without having to recreate the whole thing. It's such an amazing tool, and we just find uses every single day for this technology. When we create a 3D model through 3D scanning or digital design, it's not just for 3D printing. Those models can be used for animation, for music videos, for online advertisements, for commercials. Having a 3D full color file has a myriad of uses. Some of our favorite work with marketing agencies is making large-scale pieces for activation. Sometimes for a trade show or an event, you need a model of a product that's quite a bit larger than life size. That's something that we excel at doing quickly with very high quality, and something that has a major impact on your events and your activations. Small run manufacturing can be a real challenge, especially if you need only a few hundred pieces of something. Creating a mold, creating a tool, and waiting for the associated lead time and setup costs can really sink a budget very quickly. 3D printing can help you because there's no setup and there's no tooling. We can make very high quality products very quickly, and that can help you accelerate your timelines for an activation. Another example of what we can do is small size giveaways for new product launches, especially small runs under a few hundred pieces. It's very cost effective and very quick to use 3D printing to produce these kind of things as you're scaling up production using traditional manufacturing. Via rapid prototyping, you can develop multiple versions of an idea or of a product to share with your clients. You're not limited to just one thing. It's very easy to change body positions of figurines, to change colors of objects, to change sizes. We do this with a couple clicks digitally, and then we can produce them at different sizes at different levels of quality depending on the price point. Again, incredibly useful tool for you, and will save you a lot of time in bringing your ideas to life. I wish we could talk about all the amazing work we've done, but non-disclosure agreements really frankly prevent me from doing that. But we've made models that have gone into some major music videos, on television commercials that I see every time I'm watching a hockey game. We've made large-scale activations that have run for several weeks and stuff that's toured around the world. It's really exciting, interesting, and fun for us to see some of the amazing ideas that come out of the marketing agency world, and we always look forward to discussing ways to make things even more exciting and more fun for your customers. The amount of technology can be really overwhelming. There's lots of types of 3D printers, lots of 3D scanning. You don't have to be an expert in those things, because that's what we do. So the best thing you can do if you have an idea, come and talk to us, come and see us. If you've run into a creative roadblock or you're having trouble figuring out a way to present something to one of your clients, again, come and talk to us and tell us what your ideas are. We'll share with you different tools and possibilities of ways that we can solve whatever that problem is. It may be, I need a physical object to show my client. It may need, I need a 7-foot tall lipstick tube for an event. It may be, I need something to grab people's attention and I don't know what that is. We have a really diverse and creative team here. We've seen lots of different things over the years, and always happy to share our experiences and to work with you on the creative process. You don't need to be a technology expert, but what you need to be is creative and open-minded, and we can make some great things together. As with anything else, there's lots of businesses that advertise 3D printing or 3D scanning, so why should you work with Objects Unlimited? I would say that one of the big unique features about us is that we really understand the intersection of art and of engineering. We have industrial designers and engineers, and we have digital sculptors and production finishers on staff, and we really excel in those areas of organic shapes and full color. We focus on high quality products and we execute with flair and with passion. One of the great things about this new facility is that we can host events. Please follow our social media to keep up to date on open houses, seminars, and all the other interesting things that we have planned over the next few months. Can't wait to see you here.